guys, welcome to the first of many professional videos that we're going to do. We'll be introducing some local businesses that we work with on a daily basis. So today we're going to be talking to Sean Bailey. Sean Bailey is a financial planner that works within our team here at Mortgage Choice in regards to helping people obviously secure their assets and create wealth for themselves. So we're going to be talking to Sean over the course of 3 videos in regards to different things that just to dispel some myths in regards to financial planners and financial planning and what they can and can't help with. Hi Sean, thank you for coming and thank you for sitting with me today. So I'm going to have a couple of questions for you if that's okay. So basically, the first question that I have is we've got a lot of clients who are looking to get into their first home, they're looking to buy or upgrade a home or get into an investment property. What are some of the tips that you may have for our clients that are looking to get into the property market?
Well, I think probably the first and the most important one for clients is just to be aware of their cash flow. So understanding what they're spending each week, but then also what income is coming in as well. So I guess the key is completing a budget, so knowing exactly what you're spending each week and also obviously what's coming in as well, and then being able to work that through and look at your cash flow, and then you can work out exactly what you can afford, what you can afford in repayments, and then what's going to be comfortable for you going forward.
Fantastic. So that being said, obviously, do you find as a financial planner helping people with their budgets that their expenditure is far beyond what they ever thought it was? Therefore, what they thought they could potentially buy for is reduced dramatically because their lifestyle is obviously a much more expensive lifestyle than they had thought it was in the beginning. Do you find that?
Yeah, I think when we sit down with clients and we ask them to complete a budget, we all complete a spreadsheet as to what their actual expenditures are. When we actually compare that against, say, bank statements or information like credit card statements, bank statements, we get a totally different picture to what's completed on a spreadsheet or a form. So I guess using that information that we can get from the banks and the credit card statements is pretty important. So we use some software that can actually drag all that information into an application and then categorise it for us. So we know exactly what the client is spending, and I guess the computer doesn't lie. It's going to show you what you are exactly spending.
Yeah.
So
because at the end of the day, it's got nothing to do with what the bank say you can borrow. It's got everything to do with what you can physically afford to pay back, isn't it?
That's right.
And that's the important thing. So you still want to be able to get into your home, have the comforts that you currently already have without having to stress too much about what you can and can't afford, all because of this new home that you've got into.
That's right. Like the last thing you want to be doing is, going into a new property and then constantly stressing about where you're going to be the next repayment from. So, being, I guess, realistic with your expenditure and your cash flow is pretty important when you're going into making that sort of decision.
Fantastic, excellent. Well, thank you, Sean. I
No
appreciate
problem.
that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.